Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be using the themakeupshack's aesthetic palette. I did this makeup look using their palette. This is my first time trying the themakeupshack's eyeshadow palettes and their brand. I really did like this eyeshadow palette. I like the way that the colors blended, but let me show you in this tutorial that I did. And if you recreate this look, let me know. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to let me know what other makeup tutorials you want to see and any other brands that you want to see makeup tutorials from, or if there's any makeup products that you guys think I should check out. Let me know all of that in the comment section down below, and let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so this is one eye already done using the themakeupshack's aesthetic palette. Oh my goodness, do you guys see how big these pans are? I'm gonna show you up close how the pans look. They are huge. That's not a bad thing, but I feel like it'll take me 11 million years just to get through these, eyeshadows. So first, what I'm doing is I'm adding a transition shade. I like to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Got it like this. It's really tiny, but I like to use it as a transition shade because I like how it blends my eyeshadows together. I just use it like one or two dabs. And then you know what? I'm gonna use the same brush. Everything I use will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. The brushes I use, as well as the palette and all necessary links, everything will be in the description box below. So the color that I'm gonna go in first is with the color Kalon. I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my blending brush and then very slowly work it into the upper part of my crease. So the crease obviously is right here, the crease of your eye, but this is the upper part of my crease. Now I'm gonna switch brushes, go in with a little bit more of a dense packed brush and still go in with that color Kalon, but I'm gonna focus in more now in my crease. Oh my God, you guys, I can't find my charger for my camera, for the battery. So I moved it because all of the flooring in the house needed to be redone. So we had to move everything to the living room so that they can redo the flooring. And now I can't find where I place my battery charger. So let's hope I can get through this tutorial without needing to charge it. And that'll be it. Make sure you blend it really good. Okay, I think that's pretty much. So this is my first time using themakeupshack's eyeshadows. I've heard about their brushes a lot here on YouTube. So I'm dying to get a set of their brushes and use them. But this is my first time using anything from the brand. I know that they're kind of like a smaller type of brand. I've never really used any of their products, but so far I like the way that the eyeshadows are blending. Now I'm gonna go into the color Sultry. It's their darkest color in their palette. It's a black shade, obviously. So I'm gonna use it on this Real Techniques brush and I'm gonna just dip it like once. Usually I dip it once and I'll just focus it on the outer corner of my eye. And then blend it with my crease brush, my other crease brush, in my one. And then I'll just keep doing that, basically dipping it in the dark color and then blending it until it looks good. that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go back in with the other brushes that I use in that Kalon color and make sure all of it blends together. Alright, I like that so far. And then I'm gonna wet my brush and go in with this color here called Enchantress. They have so many pretty shimmers in this palette. Oh my goodness, I love their shimmers. You guys see how pretty that shimmer is? Just so that these two blend a little bit better together, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go in with Kalon again, just so it can blend these two together a little bit more seamlessly. I hope you guys have been staying safe and healthy. Let me know in the comment section down below how you all have been doing. I've been doing okay here, other than, of course, having the whole house uprooted to redo flooring, which was a lot of work. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna go blend this out again. Make sure it all blends nicely. And this is one of my more natural looks, believe it or not, because I do a lot of color usually, especially on my Instagram. If you're not following me, I'll put my handle here, go follow me. I usually do a lot more colorful looks, if you will, on there. But I'm gonna start doing some more here on YouTube too. I love that Kalon shade. It's such a nice medium warm brown color. And I like how it blends out. Of the Enchantress color. Alright, now I'm gonna do liner and lashes, and I will be right back. I had so much trouble putting on these lashes. It's just a little weird because I never have a problem putting on lashes, but today I did. I don't know what happened. Let me just let this. If you ever have a problem putting on your lashes, right, and the glue kind of gets everywhere, wait for the glue to dry and then remove the stickiness of the glue. It'll be much easier than trying to remove the glue when the glue is still wet. So just let it dry and then remove it. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of the Kalon shade and the Sultry shade on the bottom of my eye. So I just add a little bit more of the Enchantress right here and the Sultry shade towards the outer corner, and that's it. Cover up the blue. Now for my lips, I'll go with a very neutral lip. Ooh, this is a perfect one. And add a little bit of gloss on top. Forget about highlighter. I usually like to put a little bit on my brow bone because I think that looks cute. And boom, this side has. And that is it. That is it for this look. It's one of my more natural looks. As I mentioned, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Let me know in the comment section as well what other looks you want to see, whether they be natural or dramatic. I have no problem. I'm going to be filming more makeup tutorials for you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I had fun with you all, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!